My name is Joe Jensen from Tayco Electric and Solar, and today I want to talk about, can I save money with solar? This is a great question. It's the number one question I hear, and it really depends. Depends on a lot of factors. Does your utility company have a good solar program? Does your house have a good orientation for solar access? Are you able to take advantage of the incentives in place to help you pay for this project? Do you have a funding strategy that works with your goals? So when we look at all of those things, we have to understand what does saving money mean to you? And then we will try to find something and see, hey, solar does make sense, such as your home. Your home is super important because a south-facing roof is going to produce more sun than a north-facing roof. This is physics. So if you think about how the sun moves through the sky, it's typically always in the southern sky. Specifically, as it gets to the winter months, it goes low in the southern sky. If you have solar on a north-facing roof in that situation, it's not going to save you as much money as a south-facing roof. Then you also have to look at the tilt of the roof and how that's going to affect the solar access. If it's east or west facing, it's super angled, that's going to make the sun harder for it to shine on that roof if it's in the opposite horizon. So these are some things to think about when you go solar. Do I have trees that are kind of blocking the solar access to my roof? Those are some of the main things you want to start with. Then understanding the utility company's program, and then put those together to find out, okay, this could make sense. Then the last step is going to be, okay, how am I going to fund the project? Am I going to be making an upfront cash investment, or am I going to be putting it into some type of a loan product? So all of those things will go into whether or not at the end of the day, you will save money or you will not save money. I implore you to give us a call and see if we can save money for you. If not, we'll let you know.